So how do you title your YouTube videos so you get more views? In this video, I'm going to be talking about YouTube SEO and the tools that I use to create better YouTube titles. Let's jump into the video. All right, what's up everybody? Evan Didio here, bringing you more media tips and tools for churches specifically, but this works for anybody really. Linked below in the description are some of the resources I'm going to be talking about, not affiliate links. Nobody's paying me to say this. So I'm going to walk you through my setup and how I created the title for this video. So first off, I went into vidIQ. vidIQ is a tool, a Chrome extension that I use. I used the free version for probably 2.5 years, and I just upgraded to the Boost version. I've been loving the Boost version, but you can test out the free version for as long as you want. It works. You don't get as many recommendations as you would if you got the Boost version, but that really helps you see what people are actually searching for on YouTube. So that's what I look at first. So I looked up YouTube titles first, just to see what would come up, what people are actually searching for, and I found out how to title your YouTube videos is actually one of the best ones to go for. So I figured I'll start going for that. But along the ride, I also saw YouTube SEO is a pretty big search term that I probably should try to capitalize on with low competition and a lot of search volume. And that's what vidIQ helps you to find. Then I took it over to my next tool. Now this tool is called CoSchedule. It is free still. You can tell I like free stuff. It is free, and it tells you, kind of gives you a number based on how good your title actually looks and based on Google Analytics. So you put that in there and it kind of gives you, I got a 68 for this one just because of some of the words I was using, but it'll tell you kind of what words you should be using, some power words. It'll show you some of the words you're using that are common words that people don't really care about that much. So that is my second tool for creating YouTube titles. Next up, I also look up what I'm trying to title my YouTube video on YouTube. I see what's my competition look like, what kind of keywords are they using, and I use that to kind of base my title off of that. Now this was a quick video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more just like this. And remember, I am here to help bring media tips and tools for churches. So if you want to grow your online reach, we've been doing this. We just crossed 155,000 YouTube subscribers. Come on, somebody. It's going pretty awesome. We're seeing 2 million views a month around that area on YouTube, and these tools are really working. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.